Finally, the team bringing messages from space to our very ears. In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecrafts, the Voyager 1 and 2, on a grand tour of the solar system. Mounted to each probe was a stunning golden vinyl record with a message to extraterrestrials if they ever came across it. Each record contains the story of Earth expressed in sounds, images, and science. And etched on the record's gold-plated aluminium jacket is a diagram explaining where it came from and how to play it. To celebrate the Voyager's 40th anniversary next year, a team of space enthusiasts decided to launch a Kickstarter campaign to bring the records to people all over the world. And after 1 month on the fundraising site, the project successfully raised over $1 million. This means that for the first time in history, you'll soon be able to experience the sounds of space in the comfort of your own home.
The golden record is a great reminder of our place in the universe, and also that our future is really up to us.